Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Apple ID on the device you'll use. That matters because transactions tie to a single account. Once done, open Settings or the App Store to view your Apple account balance and note the exact dollar amount. Make sure you have a backup payment method ready in case the item costs more than your balance. This prevents failed purchases. You'll use this information immediately to pick an item and complete checkout with the balance applied. You select the app, subscription, or media you want and tap Buy or Subscribe. At that moment, Apple checks your account balance and applies it automatically toward the total. If the item's cost exceeds your balance, Apple charges the remainder to your primary payment method, so verify that card or PayPal is current. If you prefer, you can redeem an Apple gift card before buying to increase the balance. Make sure to review the final charge screen so you know exactly what you finish the purchase and immediately confirm the transaction appears in purchase history or subscriptions. That verifies the balance applied correctly. If the balance wasn't used, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, then retry the purchase. This often forces a refresh of account data. If problems persist, take a screenshot and note the transaction ID, then contact Apple support so they can trace the charge and resolve disputes. Keeping proof speeds up refunds or corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.